Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 422nd episode and the 13th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Cranberries is a must-have and a staple during the holiday season. You can use them for a side dish or a dessert. So today I'm going to share with all of you a cranberry custard pie. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And it's going to have a rich and creamy custard. Amazing sweet and tart combination. If you're looking for a new dessert to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner, y'all gonna love this pie. This will be your new favorite. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving and pies recipes playlist, my jellied and whole berry cranberry sauce recipe, and my previous video, apple cider punch. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your oranges, eggs, and your cranberry sugar, because we're about to bake some cranberry custard pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the custard. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of white sugar and a half a teaspoon of salt. And give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. I'm just going to whisk these until they turn into a pale yellow color. Alright, I'm through whisking the eggs. That's the color we're looking for. So now we're going to slowly add in the sugar mixture into the eggs. Next, we're going to add in a half a cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, at room temperature. The zest of a medium orange. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And a half a teaspoon of pure orange extract. And whisk everything until it's well incorporated. I love orange and cranberries. Awesome combination. Alright, my friends, our custard is complete. I love the smell of orange. And you can see the specks of orange zest. Nice and smooth. Perfect. I have a 1/9" pie shell. And this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Or you can use a refrigerated or a frozen pie crust. And we're going to pour in 1 12-ounce bag, which is 4 cups of fresh cranberries that I washed. And now we're going to pour the filling right on top. And when it bakes, the custard will rise up. Alrighty, and just that quickly, our pie is done. Now we're ready to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake until the filling sets. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cranberry custard pie out of the oven. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look at the cranberry on top, and it's nice and golden brown. So all we do now is let it cool completely. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cranberry custard pie. That'll look delicious. And off camera, I sprinkle on some white sugar. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with some whipped cream and the orange slice. Look how pretty that is. And look at the custard. Perfect. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The pie crust is perfectly cooked. That custard is scrumptious. And the cranberries is tender. This is out of this world yummy, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Grab a little whipped cream. Yum-o. Cranberry custard pie licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Thanksgiving.